You have to from Aqua back in Wood Media with YouTube. Now and then so your boy will a Kumasi Asante Kotoko as ye. Na more money. Say for the past 4 seasons, and no man could yema a Asante Kotoko. 2025-2026 season been a year, and Kotoko, a call 4 seasons. Abra, Omonji trophy, and as a Mutuminji, a GPO. Nti mpenufo atena sese eye 2026-2027 season die oso omode ne omagu akwam na Kotoko ayenim dada no Kotoko esan be Kotoko dada no ukuma apem beba the Metema boys osi yesan ehu Kotoko team na yenim dada because you see ade ne oma nko yiye emakuma cha Asante Kotoko entumi angelic into me Angel season we can away ya Marco 4 seasons Abraham winning a year lake trophy no in penny 4 I imagine say more appointing new technical team for 2026-2027 season na yenkote Richardo Suarez Pepe Abra o make this submission ewa Kumasi Sports Richardo Suarez Pepe on the appointment of new Kotoko technical team. Umi enkoche Richardo Suarez Pepe mara.
What's the amount? Kotoko new technical team for the 2026-2027 football season. No, board no kuso omo hye. No omo kuso di omo nkomo no. Ya intercept the me deni.
The original fella man.
3 board members here omo bayi. Omo bia no am one number busa bayi.
Okay.
Special assistant to the board chairman, Mrs. Evelyn Nsiasar. Evelyn is a friend, but me name the numbers. Say kura. Ni kunu ya madam for pa. Ono so me friend. Enti omo no mo ntiasie. Ebra na Asante Kotoko under the IMC. Ni enya information. Ni abeka some information. Abusia na wono mo ntiasie no. May catch now say and they will begin to understand us because we've not spoken to any of the board members. But in common no any cry painstaking investigations.
The fella man.
I'm sure my phone to just Asante Kotoko. One a former Kotoko goalkeeper. Yeah, at a point he captained Kotoko. And the Okra license are oye goalkeepers trainer. Ono no mpesa mo de ba e ma ne be Asante Kotoko goalkeepers trainer.
Pepe Suarez.
Yeah. Kabiru. Isaac Amwako de onim no ba de check what you ba fa no bra. Isaac Amwako. Isaac is so unfinished business be with Kotoko.
Yeah.
Who's one na Kotoko captain? Ebra Kotoko kwaji FA Cup no tamale free houses.
Yeah.
And Dr. Che promise 5,000 cedis. Na no da no mo de promise omo a omo bo match no match day squad. Okay. Meanwhile on their way to playing that FA Cup no na bench warmers na na ebo. Eti size kan da bia ya Isaac ka ho asem. Abjapani.
Yes sir.
Isaac Amwako. Isaac also free B and no join Kotoko. And no rise ya and obey Asante Kotoko captain. And Isaac Amwako say oye goalkeepers trainer. That's what that's good crap. Yes.
That's good. Yes.
That's
the
good.
kind was good.
It's Isaac Amwako. And na ye ka say Asante Kotoko board na bomb mutrim pose. You see they want to fix a new technical team. And in trying to fix a new technical team, I already did Isaac Amwako. Who says he say okoyi kakra nso atre yes no free ho se say uko mediema oya adwuma edema omo but ya me catch say fie ni fie Isaac no mo de Kotoko no ehun dam no say de nkofo abo no mo de na chen so
let's go to dreams crack kakra.
yes enkomodi a ekoso no Isaac Amwako.
Wow.
Say obabaye Asante Kotoko new goalkeepers trainer
Fie ni fie
we busapanyi information ekurame na busapanyi na me catch us Kotoko omo adwuma omo is not just about getting a coach. Say see I can say Kotoko any assistant coaches. Ebi ni ho. Hamza obin enano me hu picture bi. Kabiru bi nim say enura pictures na Kotoko post enura echi de no. Ba ko bia na time omode young boys bi bebam no. Na coach uti ejira okusi. So was a picture na fatro so na me mfanya adwuma de so panyi. It is a technical team now. Hamza Obin Muhammad and the head coach now. And an assistant, Kusi. Our an assistant, our youth team. Youth team on a goalkeeper's trainer, I a former goalkeeper. Eric Niba, or youth team was say, on your minute senior team. It's just Asante. They would have to form a new technical team altogether. And Maria Isaac come out for you in a Kabiru May pen. Medase pa Kabiru. Eti na de o ye nyina ye hu na ni nyina kwa bonte na se ye pani hu na e kwa bonte de o ye nyina kwa bonte u bie picture ni nyina ne wa igu ni nyina kwa bonte sa okay abuja pa ndi eteni
Nice one.
Eti one coach na one youth team players ni nyina ono Kotoko obia pa ongogo Kotoko announcing as the assistant to Hamza youth team and then or acting as assistant to Hamza with senior team. So Kotoko any assistant coaches.
Nice one.
Na mami fan to just say Asante Kotoko coaches na Japan. Omani abro mo pen. Hamza obey Muhammad and paying for at discuss say they want to maintain Hamza.
Nice one.
They want to maintain Hamza. But in maintaining Hamza, the question begs for answer. Are they maintaining him as a youth team head coach? Who's Obayeno? No, a youth team head coach.
Yeah.
And why a second assistant to Abdul Karim Zito? The first assistant was Prince Yaousu. And are they going to maintain Hamza? But maybe catch us a Hamza there. And Penfa settle on the name Hamza. They will maintain
He's
him.
staying.
Hamza will stay.
Nice one.
And Penfa ever maintaining Hamza.
Fantastic.
Now me catch us say Minyane Hamza. Na mintani ni nkoma de but me ni nkoma me catch say o man ni enko youth team adwuma no person ye no. Na say coaches are youth development o money so kroma be ye ni bi.
Yes.
And o mo ye ball kro no ni serious. O mo ye serious a coach like Hamza and penfo be fa no na bia ya no permanent coach of our national under 17. Mre bia atwam na Argentina for coach no e ba under 20 na. Ono na ye under 20. Oh yeah, and coach Edma Argentina under 20 ne sa World Cups upon World Cups. They were not so much interested in Zone Cup, but the development of the players, you know, and develop players are at your mo enyini ekwaje the if I say Olympic Games football gold medal. Eti Hamza has been maintained.
Nice one.
Asante Kotoko airpair. A coach or Ghana Premier League. Board no din come up a coach, me say or head coach at my team BIA Kazay. On person the bar as another assistant coach. Two, the head coach on the bar. Some catch us a white coach.
Yeah.
And he has settled on that. So Kotoko will bring in a white coach as the head coach. But they are looking for the services of a coach of Japan or league. No credit lines is a head coach of a Premier League team. To be the first assistant. Hamza, the second assistant. Isaac Amwako, said talks to be the next goalkeeper's trainer for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nancy and I am the physical instructor. The board manager knows someone about to us. They say physical instructor. Why are you mad? As go to pay. Season physical trainer. Who's a Pau Papa? Yeah, Kakra. And a Pau and a Kotoko. And I hear, sir, Omasa Sukwa another person, a video analyst. You know, order that. But